Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you one chapter from your literature book, The Happy Prince. The Happy Prince is written by Oscar Wilde, and Oscar Wilde was very famous for writing a story for children. Okay, this is the story of a prince. When he was alive, he was very happy, but when he was dead, he became very sad. And now he was telling the difference between his the days when he was alive and now when he was a statue only. Okay. Now the statue of a prince was stood on a very high platform in the middle of the city. And the prince was called Happy Prince because when he was alive, he always remained very happy because sorrows are not allowed to enter into his palace. And whenever he asked from his minister or anyone, how is the country, what is the situation of the people, everyone told that everything is going well, everything is going well. So that's why he was very happy. Okay. And he never see personally, he never met with the people personally, and never wants to know their situation. Okay. So one night, a tiny bird, whose name was Swallow, what is swallow? A bird. Swallow, a bird was flying over the city, and the swallow was a migratory bird, and the bird has to fly from one city to the another city. So that's why the bird wants to stay in the middle of the city, because the birds has to cover a very long journey. Okay, and it was not possible to complete in one day. So when the bird saw that there was a huge statue in the middle of the town, and the statue was made of gold, fully gold plated. The sword of the prince was gilded with sapphire, rubies. So that's why the birds thought that this is a right place to stay there. So when the birds came and sit in the middle of the lake, so after some times the bird saw that the sky was very clear. There were no rains on the sky, everything was clear. But he felt that a drop of water fall upon his body. When the drop of water fell, he saw that the sky was clear. From where the water comes? Again after few minutes, again one drop comes. The bird again saw the sky. After a few minutes, again one drop comes. So when the third drop fall upon the body of the bird, now the bird told, what is the value of that huge statue which cannot hold the rain? But when the bird saw that the sky was clear, but from where the rain is coming, then the bird saw that that was not the rain, that was the tears which is rolling down from the eyes of the statue. Okay. No. And when the bird saw, the eyes of the Happy Prince were filled with tears, and the tears were running down his golden cheeks. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the swallow was filled with pity. And the bird asked from the Happy Prince, "Who are you? Why are you sad? Why are you crying?" The prince replied, "I am the Happy Prince." Then she asked, "Why are you weeping then?" The prince told, "When I was alive, on that time, I never know what is the sorrow. I was very happy. No sorrow was allowed in my palace. Okay, I never know what is the sorrow. But when I was dead, I was set up in the middle of the town and made a very huge statue, and now I can saw the misery of the people in my country. there are lots of people who have no foods, no clothes, and they are searching the works, and they are very poor. So that's why I am sad. Okay. Now, after telling all these things, the prince told that, now swallow told, okay, I have to go very far away because I have to go with my friends and families. So now the happy prince was telling that, see, there was a house. In that house, a poor woman was living, and the window of her house was open, and it could see through the window that she was sitting near the table. Her face was thin and she was tired. Her hands were rough and had become red because they had been pricked by the needle. The woman was a seamstress. Seamstress means the woman who made the cloth. The woman was embroidering the work of a princess. She was making the dresses, but she has no food. Her child was also lying on the bed. He was suffering from the fever, but she has no food except the river water. So the prince told to the bird, "Oh bird, you have to help me." Then the bird asked, "What I have to do?" "I have to go for the Egypt because my friends and relative families were waiting for me." Then this prince told, "Swallow, swallow, little swallow, please stay a single day for me." Then he told, "Okay, I will stay with you." Then he told, "Take a ruby for my sword hilt and go and give it to the lady." The swallow took the ruby and flew away and go and put the ruby on the table, and the swallow also fanning the boys. When he fanning the boys became well, and he told, "Mother, mother, I am getting well, I am well." And when his mother wake up, she saw the bright ruby. She was also happy. Oh, wow, what nicely. And now the swallow told next day, "Okay, after bathing, I will go for the Egypt. Now I want to continue my journey." But the happy prince told, "Swallow, swallow, little swallow, can you stay one more day for me?" Then he told, "No, what happened to you? Why I will stay with you one more day? I have to go to Egypt." Then he told, "Please stay one more day for me, because there was a man, he was a writer, and he has no money. He was writing the stories, so go and help him." Then the swallow told, "Okay, but what I will give?" Then he told, "My eyes were made of 2 sapphires, so take 1 sapphire and go and give it to him." Then the bird told, "No, I will stay with you, but I will not do all these things." But the prince told, "No, you have to go and give it to that one." Then the bird has to follow the order of the happy prince and told that, "Okay." Then the bird take the ruby, went into his garret and gave it to the man. The man was also. Next day again, the bird told, "No, I am leaving because I am too late. Anytime the winter will come, and when the winter will come, we can't live in winter, so I have to leave." Then the happy prince told, "Swallow, swallow, please stay one more day for me." Because there was a match girl, little girl, who was selling the matchboxes, and all the matches fall into the dump, drainage, and they all become dirty, and she was beaten by her father. So that's why, please stay one day for me and give it to that girl. Then the swallow told, "Okay, I will go and give it to the girl, but what I will give you?" Then he told, "You So, but if I will take your ruby, then you will become totally blind. Then he told, no problem, you just take it. Then the bird take the ruby and went to the girl and gave it to the girl. The girl became very happy and she saw to her family. And now the birds told कि I had already taken your eyes, you now become blind. So now I will not left you, I will stay with you. Then the happy prince told, no, you just leave it from here because you will become dead. Okay, because you can't tolerate the winter. But the birds told, okay, I will stay with you. Then the bird sat on the shoulder of the happy prince and told the story of the city. The birds told about the misery. The birds told that there were lots of children. They were crying for the food. There were lots of people. They had no clothes. Then the happy prince told, okay, then you just take out all the gold plated from my bodies and give it to them. Then the birds picking one by one all the gold plated and give it to the whole people, and they all became happy, and the snow started falling. When the snow started falling, the birds became dead, and when the bird becomes dead, on that time the heart of the happy prince also broke out with a huge sound. When the heart, next day the minister came and saw that, he see the situation of the happy prince. Now take it and again melt it and into the furnace and made again new. Then they melted everything was melted except the leaden heart. And they also saw the bird, they also threw the bird into the garbage, and they also threw that heart of the happy prince, leaden heart of the happy prince, to the same place. And now the God see everything from the sky, and he asked from his angel, if I will send you to the earth, then what will you bring for me, for my garden? Then the angel replied, I will bring only two things, the body of the swallow bird and the heart of the happy prince. Thank you. Have a nice day.